Hi everybody, you can see in my webcam also. Hi everybody, I'm here Prasad. Now we are going to see searching, that to linear search algorithm and program also. Linear search searching definition, linear search algorithm and linear search program. A complete SMS question. If you get in short marks question, just like what is searching, what is the definition of searching, and it is of two types, that's enough. Right, binary search algorithm I have already completed that video. Now we are going to see linear search algorithm and program also, two SMS questions separately. If you get algorithm, you write definition and algorithm, which I am going to explain now. If you get program, you write searching definition and you can write the program. Right, I will tell you now with my cursor. See here, searching algorithm. Searching in C line. Searching is nothing but finding an element in an array. In an array, we will find an element and we will do some operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Then we will design some softwares. When you enter into software company, this is one technique, searching algorithm, searching program. Right here, theoretically, searching in C language has to check, means to find for an element or to retrieve, to take access an element value from any data structures like arrays or structures, any data structures where the data is stored in the RAM. The RAM, the values will be stored, that will be fetched, taken, right, find, searched. Then we will do some operations actually. Then I will remove my webcam. Searching operation has two types. It is of two types, two algorithms, two techniques. First one is linear search, nothing but sequential search, side by side search. Right, if you want I will write also. Sequential search means side by side, side by side. When the size is small, when the array size is small, I wrote here, when the array size is small, I will zoom it and I will show you. When the list is small, when the array size is small, we will go with linear search. When it is big, when the array size is very big, very large, see here, when the list is very big and large, we will go with binary search. Binary search algorithm I already shooted the video, and tomorrow you are having a backlog exam, so go with this. And I have shooted short videos for short marks question to cover easily. So binary search, one more note point is binary search will be taken for large number of array, 1 point. Second thing is it will be done before doing sorting. See, with red marker I wrote here, I will show you. See, sort in ascending or descending order, generally we will do ascending only, small to big, means increasing order we will arrange the element. Then we will go with binary search. Binary means 2, we will check with the middle value and we will go with the binary search when the array size is very big. Now we are doing linear search. So the searching definition is, you need to write this: the process used to find, with a cursor I am explaining, see here it's moving. The process used to find means search the location of the target among, target means key element or finding element or searching element, right, target among the a list of objects, index, is called searching operation or technique. See here, or technique or operation, right, this is the definition of searching. So here target element, for example here I have taken 6, small example I have taken, int a of 3, a of 0 location. See, at with a table also I wrote, a of 0 location 1 value is there, a of 1 location 4 values there, a of 2 location 6 values there. So here the target element or key element or finding element or search element is 6. 6 we are going to find from the memory RAM. See, from store data I wrote here, data. So from RAM the values will be there. Finding value of target element, that is in the location 2, at location 2 the value is there. This is the theoretical explanation, very simple. Now we will see one more example so that you can understand it very easily. For example, we are finding 20, we are the key element or target element or searching value. See, linear search, searching value is 20. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. Array index starts with 0, so 8, right? So here we will see 20 is equal to 10. So we will see 20 is equal to A of 0. means nothing but a of 0 10 is there, so this is not correct. Then we will search with next number. See, with yellow lines he has shown. I will remove my lines. So see here with yellow lines, when 20 is equal to this a of 0 address 20 is there, no, it is 10. Then a of 150 value is there, it is not 20. Similarly we will check 2 location, 3 location, index 3, address of 5 and 6. At 6th location we found 20 value, so 6 is the address of our search element, right? Very simple. Now we will see the algorithm also. This is algorithm. I will remove my webcam so that you can see it clearly. Very simple. So algorithm means a step-by-step English representation of a program. And second definition, algorithm is a finite number of steps, not infinite, finite number of steps to execute a particular task or work. If you getting algorithm definition, you need to write this. So flowchart definition, algorithm, pseudocode definition, this will be comes in 1 mark question. Now see, very simple algorithm. Step 1 you can start with the start also. Steps, step 1 2 3 4 write with the black pen and matter with the blue pen, so it will be eye catching for the JNTUH correction people. You will get full marks. So here step 1, what we have to see, we need to find the searching element, nothing but target element. See here, search element or target element or value from an array or key value. We need to find that one which we are going to search. We need to find that value, that element first, identify that value. Then step 2, set an index. See here, I to 0. First initially set to 0 because array index starts with 0, and repeat 3 4 steps. This 3 step 4 should be repeated until we find the array index, array finding the value. Match the key with array of I. So every time array of I, it will be repeatedly for loop. With for loop it will be checked target value. When the key or target element matches, return the index value. When we found it, when we match the element, we will return the index value. Otherwise it will be incremented, means I will be incremented by 1, and it will be repeated. The third step and fourth step will be repeated until we find the element. Now step 5, stop. So step 1 you can write with the start also. It says some steps will be increased. English step by step English representation of the program is nothing but algorithm, right? Here you need to take I some variables, that's all. It should match to the this linear search algorithm. So one more example also I have written. I will remove this and I will remove my webcam above. Small one more example, array size is 5. Here I have taken values 1 7 2 6 4. I hope understood clearly. And key element or target element or searching element is 6. 6 is at location 0 1 2 3. Third location it is there. So we will write if 6 equal to a of 0, no. If it is there, print this. And again we will check with this condition, and lastly we will check this condition, array of 3 at size 3 the location is there, so this is found. This will be printed. Now we will go with the program also. If we get only program, you skip the algorithm. If you get algorithm, you write this and you skip the program. If you get both, only for SMS question, no part A B, only 1 mark, 1 question with 15 marks totally. You write algorithm definition, it is of 2 types, and program also. I will explain you program and I will execute the program also, right? Very simple. Now this is a program. How compiler will do, I will explain you now. I will remove my webcam aside. So comments, linear or sequential or side by side search program. Practical part, hash include str.h, right? This is for very simple. See, when I am choosing cursor, because that is the red, I will choose blue color. Now I will move it aside. So this std.h for printf and scanf functions, and this conio.h for clear screen and get set. This clear screen, and for this last get ch. For this both function we will mention this hash include. It's a preprocessor. This is a header file or library. Void means returns nothing. Main means start from here. Here int array of 100 we have taken. Search we are finding element is this. C is the index, it will be incremented. N is the size of an index, right? These are 4 variables we have taken, in that to integer type, integer data type. Clear screen. If any data there in the console previously, that will be cleared on the console, black color screen. Now enter the, I will remove my markers and I will zoom it. See, this green color is for storing the index size, right? That n. Enter number of array elements, size, how many numbers you want to enter. That should be less than 100. That will be scanf, stored. Scanf means format, percentage d ampersand n, the address of n, it will be stored. Very simple. Then printf, enter percentage d integer number, how many numbers you want to enter, I will tell you. See, for example, n you have entered as 5. 5 is the index size. Now you need to enter this n will be at percentage d. Enter percentage, enter 5 integer numbers. So n is 5, so enter 5. You will see in the output also. I will show you that. See here below with blue pen. Here enter number of array elements 5. Enter 5 integer numbers. We need to enter 5 integer numbers, right? I will show you. We will come back to program. Enter 5 values. So because of 5 values we are taking for loop. C equal to 0. C is the index size, and C is less than n. N means 5. We have taken, for example, in this example we have taken 5. C++, that will be incremented. And first percentage d ampersand, see here ampersand array C of array of C. C is the index size. When it is incremented 1 2 3 4 5, 5 values will be stored in the array of C. So 5 values will be stored first. Then we need to find out, enter a number to search. Which element we are going to search, that we need to enter here. This box I made it into green color mark. This box will be for searching element. Percentage d ampersand search. Ampersand means a searching element. So I wrote the comments here. Key or target or search element will be here, and this is array values. This is the first one. I will remove my webcam. So this is for n, right? Very simple. Then here the logic for C equal to 0, C is less than n, C++, if is a condition. This for is a loop, if is a condition. If array of C equal to search, when it is equal to search means, it means we found the element, then it will be printed. Print, I will write this percentage d is present at percentage d, and comma, inverted double quotation, this search value will be percentage d at percentage d, and C plus 1 or C. If you want to, the index starts with 0, C. If you want to write the exact location, C plus 1, no issues. So the searching element is at location, it will be printed. When it is found, it will be break the program, and it will come out of the loop completely. If you don't find the element, this is one more scenario, one more condition. If C equal to A, if C equal to A, then printf percentage d is not present in the array. It is not there, not present, not there, not found in the array. This is one more scenario. So last get ch. Now the output is, I will show you. Very simple. Enter array elements, size I entered as 5. Enter 5 elements, randomly enter any number 1 2 3 4 5, and element number you want to search for. 4 is in location 4. Right now we'll see with the compiler also. Right, I will show you. This is a compiler. I typed the program also. Very simple. Hash include .h, this one array index. So here now we will run it and we will see. Very simple. Right, array index I am taking as 5. Now I am entering random values 2 3 1 4 31. That taken as 31 means one number only, a 5 and 6, right? So now searching element 6, I am entering 6, that is in the location. See, 6 is present at location 4. See here, it 1 see 4, 2, 3. So array index starts with 0, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 4. So at fourth location the sixth value is present, right? I will remove this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually 5 is a number, but array index starts with 0, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 5. So it enter the number you want to search, sixth element. 6 is present at location 4, right? Anything missing? We'll see it again, right? Right, very simple. See, in program I wrote C. C means a of 0. Index starts with 0. So right, this is a of 0, array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3, array of 4 at fourth location because the index starts with 0. So 6 is present at fourth location is the answer. See here. Now we'll see the program. See, I wrote C. Right, percentage D is at C location. So C means index starts with 0. But whereas when I am explaining, I wrote as C plus 1 here. See here. C plus 1 means one value will be incremented. A of 0 means A of 1. It will be C plus 1 means one value will be incremented. That's the only difference. Very simple. Now we will see one more way. One more output. We will enter the value which is not there, and now we'll take 4 only, and those 4 values 2, 3, 1, 4, and we will search 5 which is not there and see what will be the output. See, 5 is not there in the array. I will show with a cursor and marker. 5 value is not there in the array. So this is the program, right? So right, this is the program. If you get the program, you need to write this, okay? And this is the program for that. Don't panic if you get programs and algorithms. Program skeleton will be common. See, the skeleton means I'll choose a little big. This hash included this one, and some variables. This clear screen, printfs, scanfs. These are common. Only some logics will be differ for every question. So you can write maximum 80% of any program. Right? If any new program comes, I'm telling. If any new programs come in your paper, don't panic. You can attempt it. Right? Algorithm is also step-by-step English representation. Right? That also you can attempt it easily. Okay, so all the best for your exam and all the best for your future also.